Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove this annoying watermark in Windows 11. So here we go. So guys, there is the first solution to remove it. You just simply have to open the CMD and run it as administrator. And you will find few commands in the description of this video, or you can just simply type them in your CMD. So you have to copy or type this command into CMD and press enter. So I'm sorry guys, it's not working because there's some mistake. Let me just correct it. So there I copy again and just clear this last font and now press enter. So guys, there you can see the operation completely successful. So after that you have to restart your system and your watermark will be removed. If not, so there is the second method. As you can see, my watermark is removed after the first solution. If yours is not removed, so try this one. Just simply open the CMD, and guys, here is another command. You're gonna find both of these commands in the description of this video. So simply copy them from there and paste it in your CMD. That's it, just type the command in CMD and press enter. And that's it. After that, restart your system and your watermark will be gone after this. And there you can see there's no watermark now. So guys, this is how you can fix this watermark issue in Windows 11. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.